There we go. This is 905 Metherton Court in the Arrowhead section of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. See, this home has a 2-car garage. Just going to pan around and take a look at the neighborhood. It's on a very quiet cul-de-sac. If you listen carefully, you can hear the birds chirping. Very nicely landscaped yard. Even a palmetto tree. Just take a quick walk around the outside of the house. This home has a brick veneer front, vinyl siding on the sides. Nice backyard, big screen porch. This is the perfect place to sit out and enjoy this evening breeze. Arrowhead, if you don't know, is probably about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles as a crow flies to the beach. And so you still get a nice, fresh sea breeze in the evenings. You can sit out on this screen porch here in the summer and catch that sea breeze. It'd be really nice. 1,700 heated square feet. You add the garage to that and screen porch, you're probably around 2,100, 2,200 total square feet on the roof. Yard's just perfect size, easy to maintain. Okay, we're going to go inside. And you can see it has a big 2-car garage. And I just want to show you these garage floors. They're really, really nice. Very well taken care of, been refinished. The Harley does not come with the house, but there's plenty of room in this 2-car garage for a car, motorcycle, golf cart, 2 cars, a little bit of room to work. So let's go on in the front door. Now this house is really nice on the inside. It's had a single owner, and she is an immaculate housekeeper. She has really kept this home in really great condition. So you can see we have coming into the foyer, we have some hardwood floors. Aren't those beautiful? And just a very, very nice entryway into this home. I'm going to pause for a second and take my shoes off. So bear with me. Okay. Again, the foyer expands into, I guess we'll call this a hallway or a double foyer. You have the guest bathroom off to the side, front bedroom. But all that information is going to be on the MLS very soon. Home will probably be on the market Wednesday or Thursday of this week, but you can look for it on Zillow. It'll be on there as a coming soon tonight, and a little bit more information will be available on Zillow this evening. And you can see you've got a nice guest bathroom, nice vanity. So that's the guest bathroom. Again, we'll pan around through the foyer. If you have any questions about this home, just go ahead and enter them in on Facebook and I'll get to them. I won't be able to reply while I'm taking the video, but I can talk a little bit and read your questions, so go ahead. This is the 2nd bedroom. One of these bedrooms has a walk-in closet and the other one just has a smaller closet. Actually a double archway coming into the foyer. And this home has 3 or 4 of these nice little niches built into the walls. Nice place to display things. This one has a nice mirror. Enough room for 2 sets of furniture in here. We have a dining area. See if I can get the lights on. We'll brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Take a quick look at the kitchen. The nice thing about this kitchen is it has this awesome faucet. You might have seen these on TVs, but you just touch it and the water comes on. if you can see that or not. Touch it again, the water goes off. On, off. Isn't that neat? And another thing I'd like to point out about the kitchen are the tall 42-inch kitchen cabinets. So you have lots of space in this kitchen. Nice flat top stove, nice refrigerator, and hopefully this is coming through on the video, but this house is in impeccable condition. It's just beautiful inside. The carpet is a premium carpet with a premium underlayment. It's in excellent condition. Again, the owner, Miss Larissa, she has taken excellent care. Immaculate would be an understatement. It's just very, very nice. So hopefully you'll get a chance to come out and take a look at this home in person. You saw the screen porch from outside. We'll just take a quick look from inside. It's a pretty day out there. It'd be a wonderful day to sit out on the screen porch, have an evening cup of tea, or read a book, or just do anything you'd like. Just sit and do nothing. Perfect place for that. Another feature of the home is a wood-burning fireplace. Everything's working here. Wood burners can be converted to gas if you prefer gas, or you can use wood. A lot of people prefer wood. Nice thing about a wood burner, like I said, you can convert it to gas, but it's difficult to go the other way around. If you have a gas fireplace, it's a little difficult to convert it to wood. We don't often have a need for fireplaces in Myrtle Beach, but occasionally we get a cold day, and once every 10 years or so, we even get a little bit of snow. So a nice fire could be just a perfect thing to warm you up on those occasional cold days that we get in Myrtle Beach. Again, I'll point out some more of those little niches. These are up high on the wall. She's got a nice display there. We've got a niche above the fireplace where she has her big screen television, and then another little niche there in the corner above the hutch. Here, let's take a quick look at the master bedroom. Very nice space. This easily fits a king-size bed. This is a king-size bed in the room. If you prefer king size, be no problem with this bedroom. Vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan in the master bedroom. Nice windows. Look out into your backyard. And again, this is a split floor plan. You have the two bedrooms on the front, and then on the back of the house near the backyard, you have the master bedroom. So you have some separation. If you have guests or children, you won't be bothered by them. They won't be bothered by you. Split floor plans are very popular these days. This is the master bathroom. You can see it's a little tight space, so we'll see if we can show you what's going on in here. This bathroom has a large garden tub, not a whirlpool, just a garden tub. Be perfect for soaking. And what everybody likes in a master bathroom, a big double vanity. And there are 3 bedrooms, about 1,700 heated square feet, about 2,200 total square feet, maybe a little bit more counting the back porch. A little bit closer view of the kitchen. Then we'll pan back around through the living area. You can see these tall cabinets. I think the total length on this great room is about 27 feet. Again, you can see it has vaulted ceiling, so it's just a very, very spacious feeling room because it does have a lot of space. Here's the stove. Nice flat top stove. Excuse me, still got a little bit of cough. My wife and I have had a cold for the last couple of weeks. It's been wearing us down. Lots of counter space. Standard size refrigerator, but you can see there's room for a larger one. Get back into this entryway, and you can see this. I don't know if you can see that from the video, but there's another little niche up there, and a little kind of shelving area, if you will, where you can display things, put some plants, pictures, whatever you like. That's above the going into the kitchen and going into the laundry room. Just an average size laundry room. Has some cabinets. Your exit to the garage. Yeah, I want to see if we can get a shot of that double arch there. There it is. Excuse me. Double arches coming in through the foyer, through the entryway. Very pretty, very nice. Okay, well that about wraps it up for 905 Metherton Court in Arrowhead, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.